Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the trade that we took yesterday in front of the live Discord community. We trade live every single day in my VIP Discord community, and currently it's only Tuesday and we are up 7.5 risk to reward this week. We took a 3.5 risk to reward on Monday and a 4.4 risk to reward yesterday, so 7.5 risk to reward. So let's go onto the charts and break down the trade. So as you guys can see, coming into the day, price was extremely bearish. Let me replay this over here. All right, so coming into the day, price was extremely bearish. We had a big sell-off and I had this 15-minute low mark. Why this 15-minute low? Well, it's quite obvious. Look at this 15-minute low. It's caused this major move up inside the markets and there's no other 15-minute lows below. Now, there is a gap over here that price did end up coming to fill. But at the moment, since we're a day trader and we look at intraday, I'm just looking for intraday trades to take. My ideal scenario for this would be price sweeps this 15-minute, heads up to this 15-minute before we continuing down to the gap. So this was a counter trend trade. Now, jumping onto the 1 minute, something happened. Trump must have tweeted or something along those lines. But you can see that price absolutely pumped and then it started dumping straight after. So if we let price play itself out, you can see we had a massive pump and a dump straight after. Now, after price swept out our 15-minute low, which we will do in just a second, you guys can see we got a crazy rejection off there. This is a strong indication that price wants to start heading up after you get a big rejection like this. So if we keep playing price, we're just sitting there patiently in the live Discord corner. I told the boys we just need to wait, and bang, there you go. You guys can see we had a big break of this high up over here, and I mark this out as my internal break of structure and mark this out as my low, because this was the low that caused that break. Also resting above this low, let me mark this out, is liquidity. As you guys can see, there's a nice area of liquidity sitting right over here. All I simply wanted to wait to do is to see price either sweep up the liquidity or the protected low, and from then I was going to enter a buy position. And the good thing about buying from here with the 4-point stop loss is that price is covering both lows. So if price was to hit our stop loss, then we are on for sales. And the simple target would be this high up here, which is very obvious for a 4 risk to reward. Now, if we let price play out, price lingered around, and bang, off the first rejection candle, we entered our buy position here. 4-point stop loss, take profit right here at this high for exactly 4 risk to reward. And if we let price play itself out, you can see price pump, and then it started to mess around a little bit. But at this point, we had left the live Discord core, because I pretty much told the boys this was the only trade I was looking to take. Set alerts that you break even, set alerts that you take profit, and just let price do its thing. And if you just let price play itself out, later on in the day, I got a notification saying price hit take profit, and that was a 4 risk to reward secured, putting us up at 7 risk to reward for the week. And this is why we follow our plan. A lot of people would have closed here, but we just follow our plan. It's a risk-free trade. We're at break even. The worst that's going to happen is we're going to get 0. And the best case scenario is we hit a 4 RR. Why would you not hold a risk-free trade? Price comes up, lingered around. And eventually, if you speed it up, price ended up smashing our take profit. And from there, if you have a look, price decided to dump all the way back down to our break-even level and kept melting. So it was a good take profit, just targeting the internal high over here for 4 risk to reward. And this is what we do every single day, guys. We jumped inside the core. I marked out my 15-minute low. I waited for price to give us a low time frame entry model, which is what we got here. I marked it out and I let the boys know that if price was to sweep here and give a rejection, that I was personally looking to long. And the boys made their own decision and decided to enter long positions as well. And we managed to secure out 4 risk to reward. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you want to learn what we do, join up the VIP Discord community. We trade live every single day and we manage to catch nice trades like this. As I said, we're currently up for 7.5 risk to reward and it's only Tuesday. So let's see what the market brings for the rest of the week.